This program is co-sponsored by
high in fiber and yummy to taste.
Award-winning diesel technology. 1800-209-5556 for more details.
Shell Advanced Motorcycle Oil. Response you can hear.
Nano, खुशियों की चाबी.
Well, the field is set, the horses have started walking in, and it's time for the Royal, the Grand Race, the Derby 2011. People have definitely stepped in, taken their seats, their stands, and are getting into the mood. So let's take a look at the Derby 2011, and let's also take a look at the kind of dresses that the beautiful women will sport. Take a look.
Look at this electrifying ambience. Fashion czars, equestrian enthusiasts and the who's who of Bengaluru. They are the ones who make the Kingfisher Derby an event that truly cannot be missed. And add to it some high voltage action in the centre. Boy, Derby was worth the wait. Nothing excites a horse racing fan more than an open race. And when that open race is the richest race of the Indian racing calendar, the excitement increases tenfold. The Derby, which was postponed by a week due to agitation by stable workers, kick-started with much flair. The races started at 12:30 p.m. and people flocked to the betting counters to multifold their cash. While Vijay Mallya's horse Speed 6 dropped out of the race owing to knee injury, it was 17 beauties fighting it out for the top spot. The Bangalore Derby threw a problem of choice for racegoers.
Number 14.
Or should they go for horses which seem to be running well as their race ends? So many found the safest bet on Pronto Pronto, Sevastal, Lovely Kiss and Romantic. There were others who were driven with numbers. Number 1 and number 9 seemed to be the common pick of many, leaving behind the horses and their expertise.
Derby is very good because the contenders which are involved involves a small owner and big owner. This game is always usually dominated by the big owners. Now I look, the field is very open. I think it's good for the game. It doesn't make any difference because unfortunately it do happen in sport. It got injured unfortunately. So probably the owners may be feeling bad, but it happens in racing because 1 week the racing was postponed. So during that time anything can happen. We have lost the jockeys also, foreign riders were here. They were also not here to exhibit their skill. We could have watched some good riders riding. It's all part and parcel of the game.
The horses ran for 10 races, the richest of which was the Kingfisher Derby. The race kick-started at 4 p.m. and had big money driving on it. The beauties were brought in the marquee and bang started the race.
And the last one to complete the lineup of 17 runners will be Star Marcus. Star Marcus completes the line. All the 17 runners are in the gates. Star is orders enough to go for the Kingfisher Derby Bangalore Grade 1 2011, and as the 17 runners are dispatched off for this Kingfisher Derby, and hitting the front is Super Duper. Super Duper hits the front by about 3/4 of length as they take the first right-handed turn and move towards the 1600. African Queen now decides to take it up. It's African Queen, the leader, from Magnitude in second. Super Duper is right in third. Another length behind is Preordained. Nearness of You is settled back to run fourth. The Lad King is moving up on the outside in fifth. Right behind there is Lovely Kisses, the box seated 6th.
Many hearts started pouncing as the horses left the starting point to prove their wit. It was an interesting 2,000-meter race, and when the horses took the final U-turn, it was a make-or-break situation. The premier race of the day began on a high note, and midway through the race, champion horses were separated from the rest. It turned out to be a contest between Pronto Pronto and Sevastall. Pronto Pronto, ridden by Y. Srinath, saw off some stiff resistance from Sevastall to clinch the fat purse of 1.42 crore rupees and the coveted Silver Horse Trophy. Sevastall finished second, while Neeraj Rawal's Romantic settled for the third spot.
Racing past the 1,000-meter marker, and it's still Magnitude leads this field by about a length and a half in front of African Queen. Is now slightly dropping back, and Preordained quickly making a forward move. Lad King is also there in that front punch with Super Duper. Nearness of you in between runners who's been niggled, and further back is Forever Glory. Lovely Kiss is beautifully positioned. Romantic keeping company on the outside. Sevastall is in that mid-pack as they come towards the 700-meter marker. They're all pretty bunched up together as they come towards the 700. Star Marcus has been niggled out wide, and then comes At the Helm, Silver Spring, and out wide comes next Vijay Kirti, Pronto Pronto, Tiberius, running last to Saratoga Spring as they take the turn and into the final runners for this Kingfisher Derby. Bangalore Grade 1, 2011, Preordained comes in as fast the leader by about a length and a half in front of Lad King, is the one who's trying to make his bit strongly on the outside. Sevastall is also putting in a run on the outside and comes into a dangerous run. Lovely Kiss is produced about 4 wide off the fence. Then comes Romantic, followed by Pronto Pronto, who's been shifted gears on the outside, but Sevastall is now being tackled and passed on the outside by Pronto Pronto. It's Sevastall from Pronto Pronto. Sevastall from Pronto Pronto. It's Pronto Pronto wins the Kingfisher Derby 2011 from Sevastall. Romantic. Then comes Lovely Kiss, followed by Star Marcus, Saratoga Spring. Lad King comes in next. Nearness of you, followed by At the Helm. Then we have Forever Glory, Super Duper, Preordained, Tiberius, Silver Spring, Magnitude, African Queen.
Waiting for him to come from the outside, and that's exactly what Srinath did. So a very proud moment for us. Pronto Pronto's done extremely well for us to be ecstatic. Unexplainable. It's really unexplainable. It was a lot of tension. It was the last few furlongs that made the difference, and I think Pronto Pronto turned out to be very well.
Pronto Pronto and Sevastall had many takers ahead of the race, and the thoroughbreds did not disappoint the racing enthusiasts. Pronto Pronto pocketed 1.42 crore rupees, while Sevastall secured the second place, 47,36,000 rupees, and Romantic cashed in a cool 23,68,000 rupees. We spoke to the winning jockey, Y. Srinath, who shared the winning moment with us.
Also, Pronto Pronto has won the Kingfisher Derby 2011, and I have with me the jockey Srinath with me here. So tell me, first of all, congratulations to you, and how confident were you on this win?
Well, I was quite confident after his last workout, and I really thought I had an excellent chance in this race, except that I had a bad draw. I had to just negotiate that.
Okay, and what do you have to say about the whole race? Just take us through what was going on in your mind when the race was going on.
Well, till just before this race, I wasn't very sure how to ride this race, whether I should go out to the front or there are only two ways you can go. You can ride this race, up in front or right behind. So, and I saw the race before this, and the winners were all coming from behind. The track was slowing down a lot. So I sort of made up my mind to jump and sit second last or last, the most part of the race, and then I switched him out in the straight. I had all of a horse under me. I had a really fresh horse under me. I could save him for the trip.
Okay, and how do you deal with pressure, since these such sort of races involves a lot of pressure on the mind of the jockey who's riding the horse? So how do you personally deal with it?
Well, I've been riding for a while now, and yes, pressure situations are there, but I guess riding for such a long time, you really don't care about it after a while.
Okay, so what's the plan of action now? Since the day is made, and the day is absolutely for you today.
Yes, a few days back I celebrated my 35th birthday, so it's been a great week. I can't ask for more.
It is said that the best horses rarely get affected because the mediocre horses cannot pace with them. And Pronto Pronto proved just that. Fashion Czars and the Who's Who of Bengaluru added that extra zing to the derby. Upcoming sandalwood beauty Priyanka walked in her LBD sporting a cute little black hat with a net piece hanging on her face. The LBD game was taken forward by many, and we spotted promising rallies from Namas City Anita Khole enjoying the race.
Well, this is my first time here, and I'm sure I'm going to enjoy a lot. I was just walking across the turf, and the horses were like so close to me. I got like such a shock because it was like just so close to me. It was like really nice. I'm so excited to be here. I'm just loving the whole feel, and hope the best horse wins. I kept it planned like last night because I knew this was like a really big event and I got to look my best. So it's just a gorgeous hat that I'm wearing with the net and a black LBD, little black dress, and my red shoes and my red bag, something different.
The clubhouse was drowned in a rainbow of colours. Others just looked their best, but the hats that many sported brought in the absolute feel of a derby.
Well, the whole place is bustling with a lot of activities. You can see there the jockeys on their horses going to the field for the big race. And I have with me here two celebrity sisters, Roshni and Rashmi. So first of all, Roshni, tell me, which horse are you vying for, or how interested are you in horses in particular?
Actually, I visit the Derby every year, and it's one of the best things to do around the entire year and to look forward to. The horse favorite for today, I think, will be one of Amalia's Derby races itself. And we're just waiting to see how the odds turn out to be, so can't say anything yet.
Well, this time I'm seeing a lot of blacks is always there, LBDs are always there, but there's something different, more colorful that you're wearing. So according to you, what is the kind of fashion statement that you can particularly see that's going on here at the Derby?
At the Derby, I believe this year it's a lot of fresh colors happening, and as it should be, because Bangalore is having a lovely weather right now, and it's beautiful to be out in a little colorful dress. An LBD in the daytime is just an overkill for a Derby, I feel, yeah.
Well, along with Rashmi, I have her beautiful sister Rashmi, who is definitely sporting a very beautiful hat. So, where did you pick this up from?
It's custom made by an Italian designer, so I'm very happy that I'm very original today.
Absolutely, you are. And how are you handling it? I mean, is it becoming difficult because there's a lot of crowd here?
Not really, yeah. It's a little crowded, but it's fun to wear a hat, especially at a Derby, right?
This year's Derby was a real exciting affair with a string of closely matched contenders and the one to be imbibed in the minds of many for years to come. It had all the ingredients: packed arena, glam quotient, and at the end of it all, a high voltage race.
Well, so finally the verdict is out. It's Pronto Pronto that has captured the hearts of many people and has given the bidders the money back. The Mumbai owners are definitely very happy on this great achievement of theirs, and definitely the invitees, the people who came in, had a gala time here. All in all, Derby 2011 was definitely a fun-filled event. With camera person Madan, Vyomha for News 9, Bengaluru.